Top interview question answers on artificial intelligence. 1. What do you understand by artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is computer science technology that emphasizes creating intelligent machine that can mimic human behavior. Here, intelligent machines can be defined as the machine that can behave like a human, think like a human, and also capable of decision-making. It is made up of two words, artificial and intelligence, which means the man-made thinking ability. With artificial intelligence, we do not need to pre-program the machine to perform a task. Instead, we can create a machine with the programmed algorithms, and it can work on its own. 2. Why do we need artificial intelligence? The goal of artificial intelligence is to create intelligent machines that can mimic human behavior. We need AI for today's world to solve complex problems, make our lives more smoothly by automating the routine work, saving the manpower, and to perform many more other tasks. 3. What are the different domains/subsets of AI? AI covers lots of domains or subsets, and some main domains are given below. O machine learning. O deep learning. O neural network. O expert system. O fuzzy logic. O natural language processing. O robotics. O speech recognition. 4. What are the types of machine learning? Machine learning can be mainly divided into three types. A. Supervised learning. Supervised learning is a type of machine learning in which the machine needs external supervision to learn from data. The supervised learning models are trained using the labeled dataset. Regression and classification are the two main problems that can be solved with supervised machine learning. B. Unsupervised learning. It is a type of machine learning in which the machine does not need any external supervision to learn from the data, hence called unsupervised learning. The unsupervised models can be trained using the unlabelled dataset. These are used to solve the association and clustering problems. C. Reinforcement learning. In reinforcement learning, an agent interacts with its environment by producing actions, and learn with the help of feedback. The feedback is given to the agent in the form of rewards, such as for each good action, he gets a positive reward, and for each bad action, he gets a negative reward. There is no supervision provided to the agent. Q-learning algorithm is used in reinforcement learning. 5. Explain the term Q-learning. Q-learning is a popular algorithm used in reinforcement learning. It is based on the Bellman equation. In this algorithm, the agent tries to learn the policies that can provide the best actions to perform for maximizing the rewards under particular circumstances. The agent learns these optimal policies from past experiences. In Q-learning, the Q is used to represent the quality of the actions at each state, and the goal of the agent is to maximize the value of Q. 6. What is deep learning, and how is it used in real world? Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that mimics the working of the human brain. It is inspired by the human brain cells, called neurons, and works on the concept of neural networks to solve complex real-world problems. It is also known as the deep neural network or deep neural learning. Some real-world applications of deep learning are adding different colors to the black and white images, computer vision, text generation, deep learning robots, etc. 7. Which programming language is used for AI? Below are the top 5 programming languages that are widely used for the development of artificial intelligence. O Python, O Java, O Lisp, O R, O Prolog. Among the above 5 languages, Python is the most used language for AI development due to its simplicity and availability of lots of libraries, such as NumPy, Pandas, etc. 8. What is the intelligent agent in AI, and where are they used? The intelligent agent can be any autonomous entity that perceives its environment through the sensors and act on it using the actuators for achieving its goal. These intelligent agents in AI are used in the following applications. O information access and navigation such as search engine. O repetitive activities. O domain experts. O chatbots, etc. 9. How is machine learning related to AI? Machine learning is a subset or subfield of artificial intelligence. It is a way of achieving AI. As both are the two different concepts and the relation between both can be understood as AI uses different machine learning algorithms and concepts to solve the complex problems. 10. What do you understand by the reward maximization? Reward maximization term is used in reinforcement learning, and which is a goal of the reinforcement learning agent. In RL, a reward is a positive feedback by taking action for a transition from one state to another. If the agent performs a good action by applying optimal policies, he gets a reward, and if he performs a bad action, one reward is subtracted. The goal of the agent is to maximize these rewards by applying optimal policies, which is termed as reward maximization. 11. What are parametric and non-parametric model? In machine learning, there are mainly two types of models, parametric and non-parametric. Here parameters are the predictor variables that are used to build the machine learning model. The explanation of these models is given below. Parametric model. The parametric models use a fixed number of the parameters to create the ML model. It considers strong assumptions about the data. The examples of the parametric models are linear regression, logistic regression, naive Bayes, perceptron, etc. Non-parametric model. The non-parametric model uses flexible numbers of parameters. It considers a few assumptions about the data. These models are good for higher data and no prior knowledge. The examples of the non-parametric models are decision tree, k-nearest neighbor, SVM with Gaussian kernels, etc. 12. What do you understand by the hyperparameter? In machine learning, hyperparameter is the parameters that determine and control the complete training process. The examples of these parameters are learning rate, hidden layers, hidden units, activation functions, etc. These parameters are external from the model. The selection of good hyperparameters makes a better algorithm. 13. What is strong AI, and how is it different from the weak AI? Strong AI. Strong AI is about creating real intelligence artificially, which means a human-made intelligence that has sentiments, self-awareness, and emotions similar to humans. It is still an assumption that has a concept of building AI agents with thinking, reasoning, and decision-making capabilities similar to humans. Weak AI. Weak AI is the current development stage of artificial intelligence that deals with the creation of intelligent agents and machines that can help humans and solve real-world complex problems. Siri and Alexa are examples of weak AI programs. 14. Give a brief introduction to the Turing test in AI. Turing test is one of the popular intelligence tests in artificial intelligence. The Turing test was introduced by Alan Turing in the year 1950. It is a test to determine that if a machine can think like a human or not. According to this test, a computer can only be said to be intelligent if it can mimic human responses under some particular conditions. In this test, 3 players are involved. The first player is a computer, the second player is a human responder, and the third player is the human interrogator, and the interrogator needs to find which response is from the machine on the basis of questions and answers. 15. Which assessment is used to test the intelligence of the machine? Turing test. 16. What is overfitting? How can it be overcome in machine learning? When the machine learning algorithm tries to capture all the data points, and hence, as a result, captures noise also, then overfitting occurs in the model. Due to this overfitting issue, the algorithm shows the low bias, but the high variance in the output. Overfitting is one of the main issues in machine learning. Methods to avoid overfitting in ML. Cross-validation. Training with more data. Regularization. Ensembling. Removing unnecessary features. Early stopping the training. 17. Tell one technique to avoid overfitting in neural networks. Dropout technique. The dropout technique is one of the popular techniques to avoid overfitting in the neural network models. It is the regularization technique, in which the randomly selected neurons are dropped during training. 18. What is NLP? What are the various components of NLP? NLP stands for Natural Language Processing, which is a branch of artificial intelligence. It enables machines to understand, interpret, and manipulate the human language. Components of NLP. There are mainly 2 components of natural language processing, which are given below. A. Natural language understanding, NLU. It involves the below tasks. A. To map the input to useful representations. B. To analyze the different aspects of the language. B. Natural language generation, NLG. A. Text planning. B. Sentence planning. C. Text realization. 19. What are the different components of the expert system? An expert system mainly contains 3 components. A. User interface. It enables a user to interact or communicate with the expert system to find the solution for a problem. B. Inference Engine. It is called the main processing unit or brain of the expert system. It applies different inference rules to the knowledge base to draw a conclusion from it. The system extracts the information from the KB with the help of an inference engine. C. Knowledge base. The knowledge base is a type of storage area that stores the domain-specific and high-quality knowledge. 20. What is the use of computer vision in AI? Computer vision is a field of artificial intelligence that is used to train the computers so that they can interpret and obtain information from the visual world such as images. Hence, computer vision uses AI technology to solve complex problems such as image processing, object detections, etc.